Yeah, there's been this controversy about.
I hope it's not about this.
No.
Yes.
Please let him come close because you are blocking.
People say you okay subsidy removal in your campaign. Can you give clarity on that?
Let me know what are you talking about? What are we talking about? Eh?
Yeah, they said removal of subsidy is okay.
How can people carry subsidy to court?
No. It's the premises.
Huh?
We are not reporting it in court.
Eh?
People are saying that's the APC, the ruling government, the ruling party. They are saying you okayed subsidy removal during your campaign promise. Can you give us clarity on the kind of subsidy removal you're talking about during your campaign?
There's a difference between removing your tooth by applying anesthesia, which will alleviate your pain, and just pulling it out. The difference is that I believe it should be removed with conditions, and that condition has to be applied. If I was involved, I would have shown in empirical statistical data how much we are going to save, where we are going to apply it, the gains for the people, so they can, just like I said all throughout my campaign, that I'm going to govern the people by being open, showing them empirically verifiable facts on how the country can be better, and everybody can follow it. The reason why Nigerians are agitating about everything here is that when people say, let's go and suffer, let's go and sacrifice, they don't see the effect of the sacrifice at the end. But if you're going to do it, then do it in an organized manner where the people can see a verifiable plan. And that's it. I did a lot of similar things while I was governor in Anambra State, stopping this to do this. But each one I did, I showed the people in a verifiable manner where we're going to land. Governance should not be supply-driven, it should be demand-driven. You govern with the people. Let the people know what you're doing and explain to them in a clear terms